So what exactly goes into localizing Bible Project videos into isiZulu? More than you might think. It begins with a script. For each video, both the on-screen text and the narration have to be translated into isiZulu. This is Nozipo's job. When Nozipo finishes with a script, she sends it to Tola, a university professor of isiZulu linguistics, who works as our proofreader. Tola reviews Nozipo's work, makes some suggestions, then sends it back, and the two of them compare notes. When they are happy with the final product, they send it on to Sipo, a Zulu pastor who works as our theological consultant. Sipo's job is to make sure the theology of the isiZulu script faithfully represents the theology of the original Bible Project video. Once Sipo gives the all clear, he passes the file on to Sia, our voiceover talent. Sia records the script in his golden voice, then sends the audio file to Simon and Amy, who are our producers. Simon and Amy manage the entire team, coordinating all the timelines and moving pieces. Simon also edits the audio files from Sia to make sure they sound nice and clean. And finally, he sends the audio files and the script to our animation team at Studio Boland. This is where things get really crazy. The studio is given a poster of what the completed Bible Project video looks like in English. They then have to re-illustrate the entire poster from scratch, substituting the isiZulu translation for the English original. They have to imitate the artwork style perfectly, so that even though the two posters are in different languages, they look otherwise identical. Finally, they add in the animation effects, layer by layer, and the voiceover on top of that. Then the entire team checks the video for any errors before it goes public. The finished project, while it might look deceptively simple, represents weeks of dedicated work of 12 people.
Each book shows how God, through Jesus and the Spirit, is leading our world to its ultimate goal in a renewed creation.
Every team member is critical to uphold Bible Project's high standards of excellence. Every video has to be biblically and theologically precise, and at the same time, clear and accessible to people from all backgrounds. This is our mission. Through a combination of linguistic expertise, cultural sensitivity, visual storytelling, and effective distribution, this series will serve as a transformative resource, bringing the timeless message of the Bible to life in the hearts and minds of Zulu-speaking individuals for generations to come.
And that's what the New Testament is all about.
iTestament elisha limaqondana nalokho.